Hi, my name's Jim. I'm part of the product team here at Blindster.com, and I'd like to share with you some of the great features and benefits of our Cordless Blackout single cellular shade. Let's get started. First of all, this shade is made with a completely opaque material, commonly referred to as blackout fabric. This means that the fabric doesn't allow any light to pass through the shade itself, which significantly darkens the room, even from bright sunlight. Typically, the only light coming into the room is indirect light that is visible between the edge of the shade and the side of the window opening. When the room is dark, this light appears like a halo around the shade. Blackout shades are perfect for any room where you want to really limit the amount of outside light, including bedrooms and nurseries for peaceful slumber, TV rooms to eliminate glare or to get that theater atmosphere, or anywhere you simply have too much outside light. So cellular shades in general are best known for their insulating properties, helping to reduce heat transfer through your window, whether it's hot outside air trying to come in during the summer or warm inside air trying to get out during winter. Blackout cellular shades in particular are excellent insulators. With its high insulation rating, this shade can provide year-round energy savings by helping to reduce your heating and cooling bills. We refer to these shades as our cordless cellular shades because there are no external cords that would traditionally be used to operate the shade. Instead, you simply lift the handle to raise the shade, then pull it back down to lower the shade. The mechanisms inside this shade's PVC headrail not only hold the shade in place, but also make it very easy to raise a shade of any size. Since there are no dangling cords, these shades are safe for both children and pets. You also get a clear, clean look in the window without any cords hanging down. So there you have it. Blackout fabric to block outside light, great insulating design to help save on your heating and cooling, and safe and convenient cordless operation. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call in or chat with one of our product experts to help you on your way to new blackout shades from Blindster.
At Blindster, we don't just want customers today, we want customers for life.